Hey everybody. Yeah, pretty long time since I've made a video, I guess. I'm not changing the purpose of my channel. I might probably gonna do a few gardening videos eventually. There's still like roughly 8 feet of snow in my backyard, so I'm not gardening anytime soon. But anyway, I thought, I just bought myself a new toy, so I thought, yeah, I'm gonna do a little unboxing. Let me show you guys a little close up of what I bought. Basically, it's a new Nintendo 2DS because I have this old thing. It's a 3DS, but it's not a new one. And basically, I want to play a few games that needs the new part of whatever, the new thing. Mainly Zelda, Legend to the Link to the Past. There you go. And Earthbound. I've never played Earthbound, and this looks like a fun game. Anyway, so yeah, let me just. I think I can open it up with I can open it up with one hand, but I've got myself a little thingy to keep the camera going. Oh my god, man, look at this. A charger. Pretty awesome. I've never actually done an unboxing, so a piece of cardboard. And this must be it. Oh, a lot of crap. And there, oh yeah, some AC card that I'm not gonna use. Papers I'm not gonna read. And here we go, the main course. Ooh, look at this. Man, this is looking great. Just get my old 3DS for a little comparison. Oh, this is pretty awesome. Oh, it's yeah, roughly the same size. It's not actually all around the same size. It's a little bit longer, a little less wide, I guess. I'm gonna have fun, I think, transferring this stuff from this stuff. I saw online that you can actually take your SD card and put it in this one after you transfer like the account and stuff. Hopefully I won't lose everything because I've been playing Pokemon quite a lot lately, and it would suck. I'm not gonna do a video on that because honestly I'm not really sure if I'm gonna be able to do it. So yeah, it's a pretty cool little thing. We've got the door here that I'm always afraid to break for the cassette. The cassette. Oh, there's already a SD card in there. Probably gonna suck compared to the one I have. I don't know what this is. Maybe I'll have to read the manual. Anyway, power button is there. Let's open it up. Oh, it is nice, and it's. Oh yeah, it's way lighter than my old 3DS. And you know, there's no, the screen is quite bright. There's no 3D on this one, which I don't mind because I never used it on the 3DS. Yeah, there's cameras in front, cameras in the back, buttons everywhere, a mini joystick that I didn't have. Not even sure if this is a joystick. Anyway, we're gonna see it later on, I guess. So yeah, this is I guess my unboxing for my new 2DS. If you're hearing moaning, that's Buddy. Yeah, he's always moaning. Anyway, so this is it, guys. 2 thumbs up. And yeah, see you online eventually, I guess. See you guys.